What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule messages on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. While using your iPhone, open the Messages app. Here, head to the recipient's chat and type your text message. Next, tap on the plus icon on the left side of your input field. Swipe up in this menu and then you'll see the Send Later option. This option might not be available depending on which contact you're trying to reach, such as a non-Apple device. Tap on Send Later and then you can choose a date and time for when you'd like the message to be sent. At this time, there is a 14-day limit, so you can't schedule text messages longer than 2 weeks out. The scheduled message will be labeled with its time and date stamp, so it's easier to see at what time it's scheduled to be sent automatically. You also get an Edit button next to your message, which allows you to remove the scheduling and instantly send the message, to edit the time of the schedule, or to simply delete the message before it's sent out. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.